Kelly nunca se imaginó que inmortalizaría un acontecimiento de vida o muerte.
Show me the selfie.
Okay. Oh, the selfie, yes.
Junto a Jack, posó justo cuando regresaban al Aeropuerto Internacional de Portland. Minutos antes, Jack y Kelly eran unos completos desconocidos que viajaban a bordo del vuelo 1282 de Alaska Airlines con destino a California. Ella iba sentada 3 filas adelante de la puerta de una cabina que explotó en pleno vuelo y se desprendió del avión. Describió que en 2 minutos se llenó de aire, ruido y caos. Y de repente, un extraño sin camisa la sorprendió.
Somebody had jumped over me to sit down in that empty seat, and I just thought, where did you come from? Like, why are you? I didn't know what was going on, and all of a sudden somebody new was sitting next to me, and he didn't have a shirt on, and it was really confusing because I had no idea why.
Kelly miró hacia atrás y vio el enorme hoyo en el fuselaje.
So at first I thought it was just the window, and then I realized it was the whole panel, and that the kid who was sitting in that row, like, his seatbelt had saved his life, because that's why he didn't have a shirt on, was the suction had just torn it off.
En medio del ruido, usó una app de notas para comunicarse con el adolescente. Contó que él y su mamá viajaban junto a la puerta que explotó, pero ambos estaban bien, solo un poco golpeados.
Oh, this one, because you could see some of his injuries and the redness, so that's why I was like, he had that cut on his neck.
Jack agradeció a Kelly su amabilidad y le pidió inmortalizar el encuentro.
He said, let's get a selfie to commemorate the experience. I'm like, okay, so we kind of leaned in and took a quick selfie, which was funny, and like, I had not thought of that at the moment, but right now I'm kind of glad I have that picture.
Un vuelo que Kelly jamás olvidará. Zeiza Pérez Murillo, Fuerza Informativa Azteca.